Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem earphone not working on Messenger. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to tap and hold the Messenger application. Then tap on the app info button. This will lead you to this interface. Then you have to go to the notification option and make sure you allow all the notification from here, like play sound, vibrate, and there are so many other things. You have to just turn on all the things like I have done. After that, go to the permission section and make sure you allow all the option, especially the microphone one. Okay, you can do another thing, you can just don't allow it for some times, then again you can just allow it while using this app. Okay, after that you have to go to the storage and cache and you have to clear the cache. After that you have to check it if it is working or not. If it doesn't work, then you have to clear the storage, but before it you have to make sure that if you remember the password or username or not. After that you have to go to the Play Store and make sure your Messenger is updated. If it is not updated, you have to just update it to the latest version. Then at the last you can uninstall it and reinstall it if nothing of the things are working. So hopefully it will work, and if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.